Hi, I'm ESL Teacher Bee. Today we learn Homer Simpson's daily routines. This is Homer Simpson. This is Homer Simpson. And this is his home. And this is his home. Homer wakes up in the morning. Homer wakes up in the morning. He shaves. He shaves. He takes a shower. He takes a shower. Then he gets dressed. Then he gets dressed. He eats 2 eggs for breakfast. He eats 2 eggs for breakfast. Every day, Homer drives to work. Every day, Homer drives to work. He works all day. He works all day. Sometimes Homer gets angry. Sometimes Homer gets angry. Sometimes he takes a nap. Sometimes he takes a nap. He always eats doughnuts. He always eats doughnuts. After work, Homer drives home. After work, Homer drives home. He waits in traffic. He waits in traffic. The traffic is bad. There are many cars. The traffic is bad. There are many cars. Homer is angry. Homer is angry. Homer yells. Homer yells. Homer is tired. Homer is tired. Finally, he is home. Finally, he is home. He eats dinner with his family. He eats dinner with his family. Every night he watches TV. Every night he watches TV. He gets ready for bed. He gets ready for bed. Then he kisses his wife goodnight. Then he kisses his wife goodnight. Homer sleeps. Homer sleeps. This is Homer's day. This is Homer's day. I'm ESL Teacher Bee. Have a great day.